it's Archie here, and this is my bike check. First of all, we're going to start off with bars. We've got very good local XL bars in matte black. We have an Academy stem headset, I don't know. Got total BMX, like front load. No, it's not called front load.
Top load. Top load.
Top load. Got ODI bar long backs, extra long backs. We got Salt Plus chrome pedals made of nylon. We got Sport B Fraser Bob tyres, oil 6 spokes, Odyssey metal pegs. We got a black WTF sprocket. We have a lone chain. We have stolen cranks. We have a watercolour seat. And we have a scavenger limited edition frame. That's all.